How to sell digital products on Shopify. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell a digital product on Shopify. So Shopify has more like physical products kind of retail stores, but you can also sell digital products on Shopify, and that's what I'm going to show you. So let's get into the video. So first of all, this is my Shopify shop. This is my homepage, and what you need to do is you need to open your products. In your products, what you need to add a new product by clicking on this option. Now you have to quickly fill all of the fields for this product. I'm going to sell a digital poster of a wall hanging. That you can say it's an abstract kind of art. You have to add a product title that I've already added. Now you have to add a product description. I asked ChatGPT to make that for me. I'm going to wait a second, paste it here as well. Okay, I got my description. Now if you want to add media, I'm going to add files. Okay, so I've uploaded the file of the product that I want to sell. It is going to be a digital wall hanging. It is basically a painting of a abstract kind of painting, a poster. And now you need to add pricing. Let's say I want to add 20. You need to compare at 10, and my cost per item is also, you can say it is 18. And now my inventory, it is track quality. The quantity is shop location. You can say the quantity at the shop location, just leave it like that. You continue selling when out of stock. Yes, this product has an SKU barcode. No. When it comes to shipping, it says it's a physical product. I'm going to uncheck that. It is going to be a digital product or service. I'm going to check that. This is a very important step because this is how you can sell a digital product on Shopify. You just have to check this option which says digital product or service. Variants, you need to add any variant, add options like size or color, like it comes in material and style. So let's say when it comes to style, you can also add options like frame. So it is a digital product, so you can not add all these kind of things. But if you want to add, let's say I want to change the color, I can change the color to it is the main color in this picture is red. I can make it black in some. Let's say for the sake of it, I'm adding a a variant. Done. And then if you want to add any other option, click on that. The a variant is black. The price is going to be the same, and it is available. Yes, one is available, one on hand. You can see that you have a couple of others on hand as well. This is search engine listing, minimalistic abstract wall hanging posters, tracking art for modern spaces. So this is how it's going to look like when it is going to be searched on search engine. Then you have your product organization. It is going to be, let's say if they have something in artwork, and then you have your product type. Okay, so let's say it's a poster. You have a vendor collection tags. I'm just going to leave all of that, and theme default product. You have a status. I'm just going to make it draft right now. It is online store, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, so it has, my product has been saved. Now what you need to do is you need to go onto the settings. You need to open the app store. So here you can see you have to get this app which is digital download. It basically lets you people download the digital products from your app store. What it does, it lets you upload the products in high quality. It has some kind of the file size that you can upload after adding the product after adding the channel, the app onto your Shopify store. I'm just going to click on install this app. Okay, so my app has been installed. You can see right here. And now if I go into the products, open my product, which is a draft, I can basically make it archive, and I'm not going to delete it because my digital product digital downloader has been added. And now I can easily whenever a person wants to buy it, they can buy this product. And I'm going to add some file sizes onto my digital downloads. You can see it right here. Okay, you can see this is the product. I'm going to click on that. Now digital files. To create a digital download, I'm going to add files, and I can upload the file size up to 5 GB, and I can upload the file. And whenever a person buys the product, rather than the picture they're going to download, they can download this file in the high quality, which they can basically print, or they can print on and frame it, or whatever they want to do with it. And this is how you can sell digital products on Shopify. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Software is Made Easy. Thank you.